Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. When you're running a business and employing staff, there are many processes that you might think are voluntary, but are not. One of the most common regulations overlooked by small businesses is the need to provide proper payslips. With every payment to an employee, be it in cash, cheque or bank transfer, you must also provide an employee payslip. If you fail to provide a slip within 1 day of payment, you can face a fine of up to $8,250 from the Fair Work Ombudsman. If an inspector finds that this has occurred many times or with multiple employees, they can fine you for every single breach. A payslip must include all important pay information. This includes gross pay, loadings, deductions, and superannuation contributions. The slip must also contain the names of the employer and employee, the employer's Australian business number, the date of pay period and payment, and the name of the superannuation fund currently being used. For a full breakdown of the details that need to be on your payslip, check out our link in the description. If a payslip is given electronically, it must be provided in a format that is easy to print. An employee should be able to view it privately and access it in the future, even when they have left the business. For example, electronic payslips cannot be provided for viewing on an internal web page. However, they can be provided to the employee's email account. If you do not give a payslip or fail to give complete and accurate information on a payslip, you are breaking the law. The current fine for failing to provide a payslip to an employee is $1,650 for an individual employer or $8,250 for a corporation. This is current as of 2023. Remember, this is the fine for a single payslip for a single employee. The Fair Work Ombudsman tends to look kindly on businesses that act quickly when they have discovered a mistake. Inspectors can withdraw fines if they believe an employer is acting in good faith and has tried to fix the problem. If a fine is not paid, Fair Work may take the employer to court, where far more severe penalties may apply. A payslip is more likely to contain the correct information when there is a clear and detailed employment contract in effect. RP Emery offers templates that can be used for full, part-time and casual staff contracts. We can also help you create workplace policy and performance management documents that help your human resources paperwork comply with Australian law. Our templates are drafted by local legal firms and are designed so that you can use them as many times as you need as your business grows. For more information about your responsibility when creating payslips, check out the link to our article below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut costs, and take control of everyday legal issues, please subscribe to our channel.